Welcome to this episode of I Am by Film. Today we're going to be looking at the Apple of cordless screwdrivers, the Hoto 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver. Let's go. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the 3.6 volt electric screwdriver kit from Hototools. This includes a comprehensive set of features and accessories. Here's the breakdown. Okay, first and foremost, let's take a look at this screwdriver itself. One of the things that I would comment about this is if Apple themselves made a screwdriver, electric screwdriver, this is what it would look like. The construction on this thing is absolutely incredible. It's sleek in design, comfortable to hold in the hand. It's got a soft rubberized material on the outside, so grippy yet comfortable to hold. You have multiple torque settings right here. With a maximum torque of 4 Nm. So it's got a fairly robust performance in terms of the amount of torque it'll provide you for, regular household tasks. So overall, power-wise, it seems to do a really, really great job. It comes with a variety of screwdriver bits. I'm just going to list them out here for you. So number one, it comes with Phillips bits. So you'll see the Phillips bits right here. It comes with slotted bits, obviously. It comes with hex bits, comes with Torx, pentalobe, tri-wing, square, and a U-shaped bit here, which is actually something I've not seen in a lot of kits. Plus you have an additional extension right here, which is handy to have, and an additional Phillips bit, probably one of the most common ones that you can see. I love the fact that Hototools has included this case right here. It's got a magnetic top on the box itself, which is kind of a really nice feature. Fits in, I believe, that way right there. So really nice and easy to go on, and it's magnetic, so you can actually flip it over, and that the top doesn't come off at all. So that's really handy. So that's something that I really appreciate that they've done. So you can tuck this away and keep everything nice and organized and nice and clean. You'll notice right away here that this has USB-C charging. So I don't know if you can see that right there. USB-C charger. My goal is to make absolutely everything I own that needs to be charged USB-C. And in fact, I will not buy anything any longer that's not USB-C charging. I think one of the last holdouts is my iPhone 13. So this USB-C charging port to me is an essential feature to have. You'll notice right here as well too, I'm going to turn this on. You'll see there's an actual LED light here. So the LED light itself is provides a bit of light for maybe enclosed spaces. I recently built a cabinet for my wife, and on the interior of the cabinet there were a lot of screws to put in, and this actually came in quite handy to have this LED light here. So as I spoke before, you have 3 torque settings, so 1, 2, and 3. And then basically it's forward and reverse, and you can see right now it's quite quiet. It's not that loud. I'm going to put it near the mic so you can actually hear it. Nice and quiet. So overall, I would say the construction of this is pretty fantastic. One of the neat things about it as well too is its dual functionality. So it can actually serve as an electric screwdriver, but if you actually, it's magnetic as well too. So all the bits magnetize in there. So you can use it as an electric screwdriver, but you can also use it as a manual screwdriver. So it's actually going to turn and have enough torque to hold itself manually as well too. So if you happen to run out of juice and you're away from a power source, it's quite good for that. So I wouldn't be concerned at all with that. Another thing that's really nice about this, it's got a 1500 milliamp battery. So I have used this in multiple settings and multiple projects at home, and I have not run out of juice yet. I've charged it a couple of times now, but it's been so far quite usable in terms of its longevity power-wise. So overall, I think I really would recommend this product. I purchased this product on Amazon, and see what the price is on Amazon right now is $85.99. So to me, it's really reasonable. I chose to buy this because my previous Mastercraft from Canadian Tire totally cratered on me, and I thought, I want to buy something nice. And to me, this fits in with the aesthetic of my workspace, and at the same time, it seems to be really, really good quality. So this right here is the 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver set from Hototools, and I think I really would recommend it. So please consider liking and subscribing to this video, and leave your comment below to see if you have had experience with this as well too. So once again, thanks for watching this video. This is Island by Film, and my name is Wes.